Đâu có nào đâu, đâu có cắn đâu. Ồ. Ngoài đường này, không phải đúng này.
Okay. Cái này là ốc sên biển nè. Stinky. Starfish. Đó là starfish.
Alright. So, what was something that you learned in our class today?
Ôi trời.
Something they learned brand new.
Nó đang tới kìa, nó đang tới kìa, đi Linh. Để yên đi, con để yên đi, nó xuống kìa đó. Giờ con cá tới giùm nhé nha. Quá trời cá luôn, quá trời cá bự luôn. Thích không? Thích không? Nó không phải tới gì con đâu con. Mấy con bến nó không phải tới gì đi Linh kêu đâu, nó tới gì có bạn đổ chip bên kia kìa. Con tưởng nó tới gì con kêu sao? Sit down con, sit down. Rồi xuống đi.
amount of our planet's surface. It's the single most important component of Earth's life support system. A molten core shaped Earth from within. It still does. We're deep in the ocean. It created the beginnings of life. And it's life in the ocean that gives us most of the oxygen we breathe. The ocean has always been essential to all life, and it will be essential to designing our future. We have much of the knowledge and technology needed to set us on the right path. We are a creative, innovative, and resourceful species, and there will be 10 billion of us by 2050. Our challenge is to find sustainable ways to provide enough food, energy, and fresh water for everyone on the planet. Let's get started. Food. By 2050, we'll need 70% more to feed everyone. And we're already using too much of our land and our water. What if we could grow more animal protein with less impact on Earth? With innovations in the ocean, we can. These underwater cages are cleaned by currents and protected from predators. Sustainable. Now imagine them scaled up. We could raise as much seafood as we currently catch in the entire world ocean using an area only the size of Lake Michigan. And near shore, we can clean the water and provide habitat by growing innovative combinations of seafood in ways that protect our shoreline. Along with new innovations in agriculture, we can create a healthier future for our planet and provide the food we need. Energy. We generate it, capture it, and harness it, allowing many of us to build an amazing life. And it's mostly thanks to fossil fuels. But now we understand their impact. The heat-trapping gases they emit are changing our climate. We can no longer rely on them. Our sun, that we can rely on. We can capture its energy during the day, and with innovation, we can store it to use at night. And there's wind. The wind doesn't always blow, but we can capture it offshore or way up high. And our ocean is filled with renewable energy. Like the tide, its strong currents are predictable and reliable, and there are coastal areas ripe for capturing this energy. If we're going to provide a safe and stable supply of energy, every region of the world will need to use combinations of all promising clean technology. Water. Of all the water on this planet, only 2.5% is fresh water. Having enough for our growing population will be a challenge, and our changing climate adds to the challenge, with droughts and water shortages. We can conserve and capture water to stretch and augment our supply. And what about all the water in our ocean? We can make fresh water from seawater using renewable energy. While we need to innovate to have enough fresh water, we'll have too much seawater. Sea level will continue to rise. In some areas,
Thấy hai con nó chơi together với nhau không?